Alright then guys, so they're gonna do a new hack the box challenge. Sorry that I didn't post no new hack the box challenge. That's probably like on the medium or harder side. That's because I was participating in Patriot CTF, and that one's like been getting interesting. It's been taking up most of my time. If you guys want to see Patriot CTF, it's currently running. It might, once this video gets released, that's when I'm pretty sure Patriot CTF is gonna end. But let's see if we go scoreboard. If we go on CSUF, this is my team. We're number 54 so far. So, not that good, but it's alright. But anyway, the challenge that we're going to be doing today is Alien Cradle. So, like I said before, there seems to be no service on. Just download the folder, which I already did. AlienCradle.zip, and I unzipped it. And the first thing that came out was Cradle.ps1, which is a PowerShell script. So, what I did was just cat the file. So, cat Cradle.ps1. And then at first glance, it seems like a lot. It seems like everything's jumbled up. But the thing I noticed right at the beginning is hack the box and all of this. So what we could do is just enter it one by one. But what I did, which was the quickest way of doing it, was just I copied this and I just opened up a Python 3 interpreter and just copy the flag. And after that, all I did was just press enter and I got the full flag. So hack the box power cradle can get the job done. So I'll just copy this and just submit the flag for the most part and give this a 5. And that should be it for this challenge. Nothing too hard and something that's not very hard. It's like super easy challenge. I guess point of this challenge was ego boost for myself, and also I guess knowing what to notice. For me, I just noticed hack the box right away, and I just noticed it was a string separated, so I just copied it and pasted it into this Python interpreter to get the answer. Anyway, that was about it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace.